Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you step by step how to change birthday on your Snapchat account. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get started. So first, tap on Snapchat, then tap on your profile, then tap settings and tap birthday. You should to be careful because you have only a limited number to change your birthday, okay? So please set a correct birthday, okay? To change your birthday, tap on birthday, and now let's change the birthday. So perfect. Then tap continue, then tap OK, and that's it. We have successfully changed our birthday. So thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and see you to the next video.